Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have managed to sneak into the show a little bit early, so we should have free reign here to look at these Knaus Sport and Funds. So on the left we've got the original one, that's the one in blue, and here with this lovely sort of carbon fibre finish on the front is the black edition. I'll put the specs up on screen when I'm doing the editing so you can see what the various lengths and weights and so on are. These are German built, obviously being Knaus, so this particular model happens to have the door on the UK driver's side, same as mine. I've never had a problem with that. Sometimes I park the other way round, nose in, so I'm not being antisocial with my neighbours if I can't get a row end. But these also have the doors on the back, so you've got plenty of options with these. So designed as a really flexible, sporty sort of load lugger type thing, as well as a nice space to relax in. And if you go for upgraded chassis, because of course you can get options on these, they're German vans, they like their lists of options. You can even put a motorbike in the back if you want, through that gigantic back door. And we've got a big door on the side here that leads to the cavernous space under the bed at the front. So hopping inside, you can see it's a very simple layout with a fixed bed at the front, up high, little sofa behind, washroom in the back left corner, which is actually a tiny space, but there is a very clever trick with a shower tray, which I'll put the camera down and show you now. So here we go. So the shower tray pulls out into the corridor here, and the curtain comes out around, so you can have a decent sized shower from what is effectively just a little cupboard when it's in toilet mode. So yeah, that's pretty clever. And there you can see how you put your shower curtain around, so you're not going to get the rest of the caravan wet. It does have this clever sort of bit halfway down to help the shower curtain stay out rather than sticking to you. Alright, so that was the shower curtain, and here we have the massive back door with the wardrobe and the fridge opposite. So just big space here, hanging rail in the top, a few shelves below, and then a clever little pull-out stool thing that sits in underneath here, underneath the fridge. And then you can see the fixed bed. That hammock over the top is not for a child, that's just for storing stuff, clothes and soft toys and stuff. And then we've got cupboards, and I think that's a pull-out larder actually on the right. And it's got these clever shelf things, so you can move little brackets that clip into there, and you can store your cutlery away in there and so on. Got your storage space here, although it would be if I hadn't left the camera in the way that you could see it. So loads and loads of cupboard space. And others of those clever little rails you can slip stuff into in the kitchen. Right, I'm going to set up this panorama to have our traditional look round with me out the way. And there we go. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. So bye for now everyone. Bye. See ya.